Hey everyone, I'm Basant from Smart Tech Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own hand sanitizer, how to make your own hand sanitizer uh, amid the dangerous and very rapidly spreading bear named virus. Please stay safe and do not travel to the infected areas. Even if you need to travel for emergency, try to use protective materials and stay away more than 5 meters from the infected peoples, so you won't get infected. And if you are not in infected area, try to avoid crowd and try to avoid going to infected areas. If anyone is visiting from infected area, try to avoid them, or even if you need to meet them with the separation at least 5 meters away. And use hot water as much as you can, because the virus can survive on very hot water, 26 degrees centigrade or above. So try to use the safety precautions and always try to avoid crowd. That's the primary thing you can do. And wash your hand for at least 20 seconds, second thing. And if you don't have water and soap available, use hand sanitizer. Please stay safe. With that, if you are recently trying to buy soap and hand sanitizers, and you don't find it in couple of stores, try other stores. But if the area is kind of in a state of emergency, in that case all the things might be sold out and you may not find those stuff in the store. In that case, you can make your own hand sanitizer. This is the guide for you, and it's pretty simple, quick, and less than a minute or two. So you just need a couple of ingredients, that's all, and you can make your own hand sanitizer and you can use that right away. For that you need few ingredients like rubbing alcohol, aloe vera gel, and few drops of essential oils such as lavender, vanilla, peppermint, or grapefruit. This oil is based on your flavor or your choice, which one you prefer, and bowl and spoon for the mixing, and the funnel is to pour into the bottle. You need one bottle to store the hand sanitizer. You may use the recycled liquid soap bottle or the hand sanitizer bottle, so it doesn't have to be new. You can utilize any bottle you want, and that's all. The procedure is pretty simple. You just need to mix those aloe vera and the rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is also called 99% isopropyl alcohol or the ethanol. So if you don't find by name rubbing alcohol, just look for ethanol or isopropyl alcohol on the stores. And aloe vera gel you should find on any store with the same name. And mix those liquids gradually, because if you mix it all together at once, it may not stir properly and it may not mix up correctly. So mix it gradually, and then pour it into the hand sanitizer bottle. But if you want to use the oil drops, like for your flavor and interest, mix those oil drops as well before pouring into the bottle. And note that you need at least 60 to 65% of rubbing alcohol to be an effective hand sanitizer. And if you use oils like fragrance oils such as thyme or clove, those are antimicrobial those are having antimicrobial properties. So if you use that oil and use a lot of hand sanitizer, your skin may get irritated, so be careful. uh, if you use some other oils such as lavender or chamomile, it may be easy for you. It won't irritate your skin. It will smooth your skin, soothe your skin in contrast. So that's all, and you got the hand sanitizer on your own. These rubbing alcohol and aloe vera gel and the couple of oils you find in any stores, because in this pandemic people won't buy those things very often, but they buy the hand sanitizer and soap. So you may not get hand sanitizer or soap in the store, but you will get these things and buy it and then make it on your own. That's all. Stay safe and avoid crowd as much as you can. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share my channel and videos, like my Facebook page, and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to subscribe button to get notified of my future videos. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go ahead and watch. Feel free to comment if you like to know something or have feedback for me. Until next video, have a good time. Bye bye.